The future of work is being rewritten, and AI is at the center of it all. Jobs are evolving, old skills are fading, and those who can harness AI will dominate. The key to success isn't just expertise, it's adaptability. So, what are the 8 AI skills that will define the winners of 2025? Number 1. AI-assisted app development. The power to build. The advent of AI-powered platforms like Bolt and Replit Agent has ushered in a transformative era of democratized software development, dismantling the traditional barriers that once confined software creation to a select few with extensive coding expertise. These platforms enable users to translate their visions into functional applications through simple natural language descriptions, effectively bypassing the steep learning curve associated with complex programming languages. This paradigm shift broadens the accessibility of software development, empowering individuals from diverse backgrounds to materialize their innovative ideas rapidly. The ability to swiftly prototype and develop custom tools and applications fosters a culture of creativity and innovation, enabling users to address specific needs with bespoke solutions. Number 2. No-code AI agent development. The power to automate. The emergence of AI agents as digital workers heralds a new era of operational efficiency. These intelligent systems, available around the clock, transcend human limitations by autonomously managing a spectrum of tasks, from handling customer inquiries to performing complex data analysis. Platforms like AutoGPT and Baby AGI empower users to design sophisticated AI agents capable of planning, learning, and executing tasks without human intervention. This automation significantly reduces operational costs and enhances productivity. Unlike human counterparts, these agents operate continuously, processing vast amounts of data and executing tasks with unwavering precision. Their ability to learn from past actions and adapt to evolving requirements makes them invaluable assets for businesses seeking to optimize their operations and maintain a competitive edge in the rapidly advancing digital landscape. Number 3. No-code AI workflow automation. The power to automate. AI generalists amplify automation capabilities by synergizing AI agents with no-code workflow platforms like Zapier and Make. This integration enables the creation of intricate automated processes without requiring coding proficiency. By connecting diverse applications, users can automate multifaceted business workflows, significantly streamlining operations and driving productivity. For instance, an AI agent can trigger a sequence of actions across multiple platforms, such as updating customer databases, sending automated emails, and generating reports, all without manual intervention. This seamless connectivity facilitates the automation of repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for strategic initiatives. Number 4. Prompt engineering. The power to automate. Prompt engineering is the linchpin of effective AI utilization, transforming generic AI interactions into highly productive outcomes. It's not merely about issuing commands, but about crafting nuanced, context-rich prompts that direct AI towards specific, desired results. This skill involves understanding how AI interprets language and structuring prompts to elicit precise responses, whether for creative writing, complex design tasks, or for intricate automation sequences. By mastering prompt engineering, users can unlock the full potential of AI tools, ensuring that outputs are not only accurate, but also tailored to their unique needs. For example, a well-crafted prompt can guide an AI to generate a highly detailed image or a perfectly structured piece of code, showcasing the transformative power of this essential skill in the AI-driven world. This ability to communicate effectively with AI is paramount in leveraging its capabilities to the fullest. Number 5. API integrations. The power to automate. API integrations are the connective tissue of modern software ecosystems, enabling disparate applications to communicate and function as a unified whole. For AI generalists, mastering API usage is crucial for building intelligent and efficient systems. By leveraging APIs, they can create seamless integrations across various platforms, automating data flow and minimizing manual intervention. This capability is vital for streamlining complex workflows and enhancing productivity. For instance, an AI-powered customer service chatbot can be integrated with a CRM system via APIs, automatically updating customer records and providing personalized responses. Similarly, AI analytic tools can be connected to sales platforms, enabling real-time data analysis and informed decision-making. The ability to orchestrate these integrations empowers AI generalists to build sophisticated systems that optimize operations, reduce redundancies, and enhance overall efficiency. This mastery facilitates the creation of interconnected, intelligent environments where data and processes flow seamlessly, driving innovation and productivity. Number 6. AI content generation. The power to create. The advent of AI tools is fundamentally reshaping the landscape of content creation, enabling the swift and efficient production of high-quality videos, music, and graphics. Platforms like Midjourney, Runway AI, and Suono are democratizing creative processes, breaking down traditional barriers and allowing individuals to generate professional-grade content with minimal effort. This transformation is particularly impactful in industries like marketing and entertainment, where the demand for engaging and high-quality content is paramount. Midjourney, for instance, empowers users to create stunning visual assets from simple text prompts, while Runway AI simplifies complex video editing and effects. Suono enables the generation of original musical compositions, allowing creators to produce unique soundtracks effortlessly. These tools not only accelerate the creative process, but also empower individuals who may lack traditional artistic skills to produce compelling content. This democratization of creativity is fostering a new era of innovation where anyone can bring their creative visions to life with the assistance of AI. Number 7. AI editing and enhancement, the power to create. The role of AI extends beyond mere content generation to encompass the refinement and polishing of digital media, facilitated by tools like Descript and Opus. These platforms empower users to elevate the quality of their videos, audio, and text with remarkable ease. AI-powered editing capabilities streamline the process of enhancing content, enabling the production of polished, professional-level material without requiring extensive technical expertise. Descript, for example, allows for sophisticated audio and video editing through text-based interfaces, simplifying tasks like removing filler words or editing complex audio tracks. Opus, on the other hand, excels in repurposing long-form video content into engaging short clips for social media, leveraging AI to identify key moments. These tools reduce the time and effort traditionally associated with content editing, allowing creators to focus on the narrative and strategic aspects of their work. By democratizing access to advanced editing capabilities, AI is transforming the way content is refined and presented, ensuring that even individuals with limited technical skills can produce high-quality, impactful media. Number 8. AI-enhanced writing, the power to connect. In the digital age, cultivating an engaged audience is paramount for both personal and professional advancement. AI-enhanced writing tools, exemplified by Claude from Anthropic, significantly streamline the process of crafting compelling written content. These tools act as powerful collaborators, assisting in the generation of high-quality narratives, articles, and marketing materials. However, their true potential is realized when combined with human creativity. AI generalists leverage these platforms to refine their writing, ensuring clarity, engagement, and impact. They can also utilize AI to analyze audience preferences and tailor content accordingly. Furthermore, these tools facilitate content repurposing, transforming a single piece of content into various formats to reach broader audiences across multiple platforms. The strategic advantage of the AI generalist. In the AI-dominated economy of 2025, mastering these 8 skills is crucial for its success. AI generalists, adept at handling diverse tasks and effectively utilizing AI, will be in high demand. Their adaptability and versatility will make them invaluable assets in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. These skills provide the foundation for navigating the complexities of the future workforce, ensuring individuals remain relevant and prosperous. By embracing these competencies, professionals can position themselves as essential contributors in the age of artificial intelligence. The future belongs to AI generalists. The job market of 2025 will be defined by adaptability. The most successful people won't be those who rely on a single expertise, but those who can harness AI to excel across multiple areas. The 8 AI skills: AI-assisted development, AI automation, workflow integration, prompt engineering, AI content generation, AI editing, AI-enhanced writing, and audience building are the foundation of this adaptability. AI is not here to replace people, it's here to empower them. The winners of the future will be those who embrace AI, learn how to use it effectively, and stay ahead of the curve. The choice is clear: adapt and thrive, or risk falling behind. Want to stay ahead in the AI revolution? Start mastering these game-changing skills today. Like this video, share it with others who need to prepare for the future, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights. Drop a comment below. What AI skill do you think will be the most important in 2025? We'll catch you next time.